Includes stop, tail, turn LED lights, transmitter with standard 4 flat-wire vehicle trailer light connector and trilingual instructions. Provides over 65 of wireless operation and DOT-compliant stop, turn, and tail functions for your trailer or towed vehicle. Features a low battery indicator in one light, requires AA batteries not included. Non-scratch, heavy-duty magnetic base for secure mount. Sonically sealed polycarbonate lens eliminates moisture and corrosion. Eliminate the hassle of cords with the Blazer C6304 LED wireless magnetic towing light kit. Just plug in the transmitter, position the lights, turn on the switch and go. It's so easy that you will not need to tap into existing wires or use any tools for installation. The LED bulb's life far exceeds traditional incandescent trailer lights with up to 100,000 hours of light. The sonically sealed polycarbonate lens eliminates moisture and corrosion, prolonging the life of the lights. The durable polycarbonate, heavy-duty magnetic base is designed to securely mount to any metal surface. The product features over 65 feet of wireless operation and provides DOT-compliant stop, turn and tail functions for your trailer or towed vehicle. The unit features a low battery indicator in one light, batteries not included, letting you know before the light completely runs out of life. The transmitter operates on a 5-channel frequency to minimize any interference with radios, garage openers, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Flawless. I tow racing sailboats from one regatta to the next. Half the time the trailer lights don't work or I can't quickly find my adapter for the 5 to 4 pin. 30 seconds, a flip of the switch and I am ready to go. Strong magnet to attach to the trailer and the batteries last a really long time, as long as you remember to turn them off between tows. As an added measure of safety, I do a wrap of E-tape around the base and the trailer. I would definition buy again.